This video is a demonstration of the machine learning automation pilot conducted from June to September of 2017 for P&G's Asia Travel Retail Order Management Front Office in P&G's Singapore Customer Service Center. This new digital solution was created by the DXC P&G Account Innovation and Automation team in partnership with WorkFusion and P&G's IT organization and business teams. This solution will now be deployed for P&G in Europe by DXC's Poland Global Delivery Center. DXC's objective is to be a leader in the digital automation space, and this effort reflects our investment and commitment as a significant first step. The technology. DXC partnered with WorkFusion, an Everest top quadrant cognitive automation software provider, to create and execute this automation solution for P&G. The WorkFusion integrated smart process automation solution combines into one platform the core capabilities needed to digitize complex business processes in global operations, such as robotic process automation, business process management, optical character recognition, machine learning-powered cognitive automation, and human-in-the-loop concept. The platform combines the best of human and machine intelligence to drive workforce productivity and engagement, increase agility, and improve service delivery. The business case. In P&G's travel retail order management, a fast-growing organization, order acquisition and processing are the highest volume and revenue-generating activities. Fulfilling these transactions requires extensive manual processing and repetitive actions in a series of tools and web-based applications. The process contains large data sets of highly unstructured information, leading to many possible combinations, for which not all the decision parameters are known in advance. Due to their complexity, these scenarios cannot be processed with only a rule-based approach. This created an opportunity for automation as an alternative to adding people to manually process the increasing number of orders of this growing business. The solution brings cognitive bots and humans working together to execute P&G's order management process. The goal of this pilot was achieved by demonstrating 50% productivity in P&G's Asia Travel Retail Order Management Front Office. Post-go live, the team will be able to focus on driving growth and increased value for the business instead of performing repetitive tasks. The execution. Using WorkFusion's machine learning-based cognitive approach, we have built a reusable and extendable model for work that's too complex for rule-based automation. WorkFusion's virtual data scientist uses historical data and real-time human actions to train models to automate judgment work in a business process, like categorizing and extracting unstructured information. Rules don't need to be hard-coded, as the model is capable of learning itself. Using this cognitive approach, the following two cases have been built. 1. Approval process for non-revenue orders. The first machine learning use case built for P&G's Asia Travel Retail Order Management pilot was to identify whether an order is approved or not by reading through a trail of emails from different approvers and various business stakeholders. An example of an email chain may look like this, and the list of keywords the machine looks at to determine whether the order is approved or not can be extensive. It also looks at words in the overall context of the email body, not just standalone, and can distinguish affirmative comments from the negative ones. The next actions are determined by using a complex decision tree logic that weighs more heavily to negative comments versus positive ones. Using this approach, the expectation of 70% cognitive accuracy was exceeded by almost 20 points during our pilot testing phase. 2. Data extraction from manual orders. Our second machine learning use case for P&G targets data extraction for manual order forms. These orders are received via email in the form of a PDF attachment, having a non-standard format type. The same fields could be anywhere on the page or even named differently, depending on the customer order format. Specific fields like the ship-to address or product line item details have to be extracted from the PDF forms and entered into SAP as part of the order processing activities. In this case, the document was first sent to the WorkFusion Optical Character Recognition (OCR) engine for digitization, and then processed through the machine learning-powered cognitive model where the required data was tagged and extracted. This data, together with additional required information collected from various sources, was entered in SAP with the help of the RPA bots. Machine learning-enabled intelligent information extraction results have a high degree of process accuracy compared to standalone OCR technologies. Using this approach, we achieved an average 90% cognitive accuracy during our pilot testing phase. Key takeaways. Machine learning-enabled automation is here now. DXC technology, WorkFusion, and P&G are redefining the way work gets done. A typical use case can be automated in less than 6 months, with a payback inside 1 year. We are excited about the opportunity to build and deploy this new capability, and we look forward to working with you.